Well, hello kids. Welcome to the Dill Learning Channel. Today is a part 2 to word problems or word stories. Word problems are word stories, and we are dealing with subtraction. Now, in our first video, it was a shorter word problem. Today we are dealing with a longer word problem, and we are going to go ahead and read that word problem together. Get ready? Let's begin. Michael has 8 cookies. He gives 5 cookies to his friend Elizabeth. How many cookies does he have left? Now, before we can even work out this word problem, we need to do or know how to do 2 things. Read is 1. You cannot complete a word problem without knowing how to read. And 2, break it down. We need to know how to break down each sentence. So let's go ahead and look at each sentence and locate our clues. You must locate the clues in each sentence. So let's read the first sentence. Michael has 8 cookies. So now go ahead and ask yourself, what are the clues in this sentence? Well, the clues are cookies and 8. We have a clue word and a clue number. We know we are dealing with cookies, and we know we are dealing with 8 cookies. Those are our 2 clues in this sentence. Now let's look at the next sentence. Let's go ahead and read that. Ready? Begin. He gives 5 cookies to his friend Elizabeth. What are the clues in this sentence? I believe the first clue is gives. We need to know if we're adding or subtracting. There are always clue words that tell you whether or not you are adding or subtracting. So that is gives. The next clue is the clue number, 5. And again, the last clue in this sentence is cookies. So now we can kind of ignore to his friend Elizabeth and he. Okay? We are now going to focus on our clues. 8 cookies and gives 5 cookies. Now, every word problem has a question, a concluding question at the end. So what is our question? How many cookies does he have left? Let's go ahead and identify the clues in this question. How many cookies and left? Left means that you are dealing with a subtraction problem. How many means you need to identify the number, and we are still dealing with cookies. Now we can just focus on our clues. We're not going to focus on the extra words, just our clues. So let's go ahead and break this down. We know we have 8 cookies, so you can draw 8 cookies. I've already went ahead and placed 8 cookies on this platform. So let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go ahead and draw 8 cookies. Okay, after you have drawn 8 cookies, we are going to look at our next sentence. So let's put a check. We have drawn 8 cookies. Now we're going to look at our clues in the next sentence. Gives 5 cookies. That means we're going to cross out 5 cookies. He gives 5 cookies away. He gives them to his friend Elizabeth. So let's cross out 5 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did we give 5 cookies away? We crossed out 5, so yes. So let's go ahead and put a check. We drew 8 cookies, check. We gave 5 cookies away, we crossed them out, check. Now let's answer our question. How many cookies does he have left? So let's place a box on what he has left. Now let's count how many he has left. 1, 2, 3. He has 3 cookies left. Did we answer the question? Yes. So let's put a check. We drew 8 cookies. Check. We gave 5 cookies away. That means we crossed them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. We answered our question. How many cookies left? We put a box around how many was left, and we wrote the number 3. Great job. Now that we have broken down all of these sentences in the question, we can now write our number sentence. Let's go back to the first sentence. He had 8 cookies. So we're going to draw or write 8. Now let's go to the second sentence. He gave away 5. That number was 5. Remember, our number sentence only has numbers on it. Now, the answer is our question, our concluding question. How many cookies does he have left? Well, how many did we count? 3. Great job. Now we have found the answer and we can read our number sentence. So let's read that together. 8 minus 5 equals 3. Or you could say takeaway. So let's use the word takeaway. 8 take away 5 equals 3. Great job. You have just learned how to break down a subtraction word problem and identify the concluding answer. You are awesome. Yay. So I love doing math with you. Please, friends, share with the world. This is a free, non-profit online educational site. We're giving away free education. Donate at dillkids.org. And until next time, goodbye.